Hello friends, welcome to Smart Kid Channel. Today we're going on a fun adventure to the farm. Let's meet some amazing animals and learn their names. Cow! Cow. Look, it's a big gentle cow. Cows say, moo! Moo! They give us fresh milk that we can drink. Cows love to eat grass all day long. Sheep. Sheep. Here are some fluffy sheep. Baa! Baa! Sheep have soft wool that helps keep us warm. They like to run and play in the fields. They live on the farm. Duck. Duck. Quack, quack. Look at these ducks swimming in the pond. Ducks love to splash in the water, and they have webbed feet to help them swim. Pig! Pig! They say, oink, oink! Look at these pink, muddy pigs. Pigs love to roll in the mud to keep cool on hot days. They're super smart, too. Horse! Horse! They are strong and fast. People ride them and use them to help on the farm. They love to eat hay and run in the fields. Chicken, chicken, cluck, cluck. These are chickens. They lay eggs that we can eat for breakfast. Chickens love to peck at the ground for food. Donkey, donkey. They say, hee-haw, hee-haw. Meet the donkey. They are strong and help farmers carry heavy things. They love to eat hay and give big, loud brrrs. Rooster. Rooster! They say goggle-o-goggle. This is a rooster. He wakes up the farm every morning with his loud crowing. Roosters have colorful feathers and take care of the hens. Goat. Goat. Here's a playful goat. They say, ma, ma, and love to climb on rocks. They eat grass, leaves, and even crunchy hay. Cat. Cat. They say, meow, meow. This is a farm cat. Cats help keep the farm safe by chasing little mice. They love to nap in the sun and purr when they're happy. Dog. Dog. Dogs are furry animals that love to play and make great friends. They wag their tails when they're happy and bark to talk. Dogs come in different colors and sizes, and they love to run, cuddle, and be part of a family. Yak. Yak. Look at this big fluffy yak. They have long, shaggy fur to keep them warm in cold places. They are very strong and help carry heavy loads for farmers. Peacock. Peacock. Wow! Look at this beautiful peacock. Peacocks have big, colorful feathers that they spread out like a fan. They love to strut around and say, ee-yaw! Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.